Welcome to the best pick. The best Samsung Smart TV control is probably one of the most essential accessories for unlocking the full potential of your television, transforming how you interact with your favorite shows, movies, and apps, and offering a seamless bridge between your digital life and your viewing experience, making every command intuitive and every selection effortless. Number 5. Angrox Universal Remote for Samsung TVs. Introducing the Angrox Universal Remote, designed to work seamlessly with all your Samsung Smart TVs. It's the perfect replacement for lost or broken remotes. This remote is compatible with a vast range of Samsung TV models, including those with model numbers like BN59-01199F and AA59-00666A. Enjoy broad usability without worry. Experience stable performance and a farther transmitting distance with this high-grade remote. It effortlessly replaces your old one, covering all original functions. Its small, compact size makes it comfortable to hold and prevents slipping. Plus, it requires no programming or setup, just insert batteries and it works. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just add 2 AAA batteries, and you're ready to control your Samsung TV. No complex configurations needed. Whether you have an LCD, LED, HD TV, or 3D Smart TV from Samsung, this universal remote has you covered. It's the one remote you need. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable replacement for your lost or damaged Samsung TV remote, this is a great option. It's designed to work with a vast range of Samsung TV models, ensuring broad compatibility. Its stable performance and easy-to-grip design make it a practical choice for everyday use. If you prioritize simplicity and broad compatibility, this remote is a solid pick. What people say. No download or syncing is required, you just put in the batteries and point at your TV and turn it on. It's that simple. Comfortable design, same functions as original. This replacement paired instantly and works perfectly. The price is right as well, and the package includes 2, so I have a backup. Works beautifully well, just as good as the manufacturer's original remote. The buttons are just right, allowing me to focus mostly on smart TV features rather than a 100-button remote, with no programming required. The curved shape is comfortable and button placement is obvious given muscle memory to the original Samsung remote. This required zero setup on my Samsung 2018 TV. Number 4. Samsung TV Remote Replacement. Introducing the ultimate replacement remote, designed to work seamlessly with your Samsung Smart TV. It's the perfect upgrade for your viewing experience. This remote is compatible with a vast range of Samsung Smart TV models from 2015 to 2024. Setup is a breeze, no programming or pairing needed, just insert batteries and start using it. Enjoy instant access to popular streaming services like Netflix and Prime Video with dedicated quick access buttons. Get to your entertainment faster than ever before. It's engineered to support various Samsung series, including QLED, LED, HD TV, and specific models like the 6, 7, and 8 series, as well as Q60T, Q70T, and Q80T series. It also covers many other model numbers for broad compatibility. This remote offers a straightforward and functional design for effortless operation. Please note that it does not include Bluetooth or voice control features. To get started, you'll need 2 AA 1.5V batteries, which are not included. Simply insert them, and you're ready to control your TV. What we like. For those who frequently use streaming services like Netflix and Prime Video, this remote offers dedicated quick access buttons. It's compatible with a wide range of Samsung Smart TV models from 2015 to 2024, making it a versatile upgrade. If you value convenience and want to jump straight into your favorite content without navigating menus, this remote is ideal. What people say. They immediately connected without any pairing needed, which is such a bonus if you are not tech-savvy. The response is good and no issue with navigation of the channels. Worked great for us. Opened the box, put in 2 AA batteries and it was ready to go. Nothing to scan or set up. Number 3. Universal Voice Remote BN59-01266A for Samsung Smart TV. Experience effortless control of your Samsung Smart TV with this universal voice remote. It's designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of models, bringing convenience back to your fingertips. Unlock the power of voice commands. Simply speak your commands to navigate channels, search for content, and adjust settings with ease. This remote is compatible with numerous Samsung Smart TV models, including many QLED and MU series. Check our list to ensure it's the perfect fit for your TV. Pairing is straightforward. Just ensure your TV is connected to the internet, then press and hold the return exit and play pause buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. You'll see a confirmation on your screen. This is a direct replacement for your original Samsung voice remote, model number BN59-012666A. It offers the same functionality and reliable performance you expect. Upgrade your home entertainment experience with this advanced voice remote. Enjoy intuitive control and access all your favorite content faster than ever before. What we like. If you're seeking the convenience of voice commands for your Samsung Smart 4K TV, this is the remote for you. It boasts extensive compatibility with numerous Samsung models and features a straightforward pairing process. If you want to control your TV with your voice and enjoy a seamless user experience, this upgraded remote is a fantastic choice. What people say. This remote has worked flawlessly, is responsive as expected, and has a better feel with the buttons than the original OEM remote. This remote can be used without pairing just like those IR-only remotes, but if you pair, you also get the benefits of RF. Pairing is simple. Unlike old universal remotes that had you go through a bunch of steps, pairing just involves 1. Turning on the TV, and 2. Holding down two buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds. The remote looks very similar to the OEM that came with the TV. The buttons are raised and firm and responsive. Number 2. Samsung Smart TV Remote Replacement. Introducing the perfect replacement remote for your Samsung Smart TV. It's designed for effortless control, bringing convenience back to your viewing experience. This remote works with a vast range of Samsung Smart TVs, including 4K, UHD, HDR, OLED, LED, LCD, QLED, and curved models. You can be sure it's compatible with your device. It supports numerous Samsung remote models like BN59-01312A, BN59-01301A, and many more. If you have a Samsung Smart TV, this is likely the remote you need. This replacement is compatible with Samsung 6, 7, 8, and QLED series, including models like Q60T, Q70T, and RU7100. Enjoy broad compatibility across many smart TV lines. Forget complicated programming. This remote is designed for simplicity. Just insert batteries, and you're ready to go, no setup required. You'll receive a high-quality infrared remote control, ready to enhance your TV experience. Batteries are not included, but setup is incredibly straightforward. What we like. If you prefer a no-fuss approach to your TV remote, this option is perfect. Its simple design means fewer confusing buttons, and it requires no programming or setup whatsoever. Just add batteries, and you're ready to go. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, universally compatible remote that gets the job done without any hassle, consider this one. What people say. Works fine, though does not include voice interface, which I don't use anyway. This product worked for my Samsung Curve TV and required no setup. Remote worked great right out of the package. Just threw the batteries in it and it was good to go. Number 1. Gvirtue BN59-01315A Universal Samsung TV Remote. Introducing the Gvirtue BN59-01315A, a universal replacement remote designed for a wide range of Samsung Smart TVs. It offers effortless control over your viewing experience. Forget complicated programming. This remote works right out of the box. Simply insert two AAA batteries, and you're ready to go. Access your favorite streaming services with ease. It features dedicated keys for Netflix, Prime Video, and Hulu, putting entertainment at your fingertips. This remote is compatible with numerous Samsung Smart TV models, including the 6, 7, and 8 series, as well as N, NU, and RU series TVs. Enjoy seamless control whether you have a curved or QLED Samsung TV. It's the ideal replacement for your original remote. Experience the convenience of a fully functional remote without the hassle. It's the perfect solution for lost or broken remotes. What we like. For users with Samsung Curve TVs or those who frequently use streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and Hulu, this remote is a great fit. It works right out of the box with no programming needed, just insert batteries. If you want quick access to your favorite streaming content and a remote that's ready to go immediately, this is an excellent option. What people say. The stock remote quit working for my 65-inch Samsung Curve TV. This replacement Samsung remote works great, turned my TV on right out of the box. Works right out of the box on my Series 6 Samsung TV. It has Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and Netflix buttons, which is nice to simply press a button on the remote to access them. It does what it's supposed to do on my Samsung Smart TV, right out of the box, no pairing needed. It was amazed at the quality when I received and worked instantly out the package with no setup required. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.